Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Idefine wig once more, and this is the packaging just like the previous ones. I got the wig. I also got two pairs of wig caps. I got an information card from Idefine, and that's everything that came in the package. So this is today's wig. It's a glueless shoulder length layered wavy wig with curtain bangs, and it's a lace front as well. It came pre-styled. As you can see, those curls are nicely done for you right straight out of the package. This is the construction of the cap. I went ahead and adjusted the adjustable bands in the back. The bangs are not too heavy, so I love that. I actually love a good like fringed bang look, and this wig I feel like is perfect for that. As you can see, I'm definitely going to be doing a glueless install, so this wig will be perfect for my beginners and just overall people who don't have all the time in the world to be, you know, styling their hair but they still want to look cute. This wig is gonna come in clutch for you. So I was just adjusting this on my head, making sure that everything sits right, and yeah. But once I set it how I wanted it to lay on my head, I got my hot comb and I needed to just let the top lay flatter. So the wig straight out of the packaging wasn't going in the direction that I wanted it to, so I kind of just restyled that portion. I didn't recurl the rest of the wig because it's nicely curled already for you straight out of the packaging. So I love how convenient that is, and so I continue to just work on the bang portion. It's kind of easier to watch as I go along, but super easy. Anybody can do this. I was just kind of running my hands through the hair. I didn't get that much shedding. It was just really minimal, so that's not too bad. I feel like straight out of the packaging, they probably, with pre-styling the wig, applied a little bit of product to it, but it wasn't heavy. But yeah, it was very minimal shedding. So that's that, and I went into just restyling the bang area.
Cause we be
once I was done with the wig and just kind of reshaping the front, this is what I ended up with. Really cute, super, you know, convenient. As I said, perfect for my beginners. If you'd love to invest into a wig like this, the link for this wig is down below in my description box. Even if you know somebody that's, you know, would be appreciative of getting a wig like this, or you know, they love a cute bang look, yeah, this would make a really nice gift. So that's linked down below. All the specifications are also linked. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. If you guys found this informative, if you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for more looks. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.